But you want little of the skating on me X6. Pull up on him blood clot, touch a style. Oh, I'm gone. One. You go. Yeah.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, my people, we there with a hot one. Whenever you hear my voice, my people, we there with a hot one. Alright, you don't know. God is the greatest. So, thanks to Father God, so we have a life, my people. Alright, blessed Sunday to everybody, you don't see Wagwan, my people. It's the next day in the Gaza nation, my people, and don't see Wagwan. As Vybz Kartel say, X6 badness, you understand? So, full flight, and in this video, Vybz Kartel show him full car catalog, my people. You don't know, this man just come out of prison, and me I tell you, the man I show some things, you understand? Before I jump in the video, my people, I want you to check out the video I upload this morning. Cause last night, a mad thing, my people. We there Shenseea party last night. Chronicler come through the place. Stark Ashley. Plus I be a celebrity today. You don't know. TC, Rebel. Pretty. The whole vibe, my people. You understand? We're gonna take out this. We're gonna check out a little part of the stage show and come back, my people. I'm gonna show you the full car collection where the teacher have right now. Stay tuned, my people. I'm soon come back.
Good comfort, but my pum just not show up on the stage. It's a one-piece, guys. It's not my fancy, just to be clear.
Are you serious?
It's a one-piece dress, okay? Send out the master, man.
Take the dog, but she don't get the ball. You don't rock with the dog, I got everything we want. Yeah, sure. She ain't good, coming up. She look pretty when the pussy got lucky. She and 3X man where you, and that boy where you run off with man. Some girls be just, you probably fuck it and get cold. Oh, me here, what you go to money? Every no man. Wait. Me say, how can this Shenseea survive? Make talk and feel black. Barry life, this a winner, make. But suck your mother telling him a winner. Log on, sure, a 15 and Jacob. Who call in for radio, dumb cat? Stop your bomb buckler already.
Yo, yeah, my people in the dance Wagwan. I'm not too sure the whole light, I want to go in at the video I upload a while ago and check it out, my people. You don't know, me I beg you to just like, share, subscribe on the video, my people. And yeah, the link for the video here I got also there in the description so you can check it out, my people. My people on the thing, the party did mad. May I tell you, the party did shell. You understand? Everybody that I look for Kartel show him face. Kartel come out. You don't know. That did I even make the thing mad about. Vybz Kartel never forward. Of which me personally never expect him for forward because you don't know. This was a Rami show, so to speak, even though essentially a birthday party. But anyway, my people, you don't know what we're there for. We're there for the banger. We're gonna show you the car collection where the boss are brandish. She's a man who just fresh out of prison, you know, my people. And him have one of the sickest car collection I can say. You understand? So, we go jump in at my people and you don't know. Yes, so I go jump off for the rest of the day. I beg on like, share, subscribe, pick up on yourself. Where the artist say, what they below my nose. I'm out.
But you want little of the skating on me X6. Pull up on him blood clot, touch a style. Oh, I'm gone. Where one? You go. Yeah. What X6 badness, you heard me? Oh, see my new beast when me are rolling now. I'm afraid to show anybody. Remember, I can't do me nothing. Try me, I get the Benz wash. Where I did my kill it. Big up yourself, man. What that car wash place your name?
Diamond Touchdown.
See it? Diamond finish. You hear that? See if my baby Range Rover, yeah? When you're done. And this too.
Yeah, man, I do.
Alright. Yeah, man. You wash your seat. How are this? Yeah. What you going with?
If we carry it, go to body shop Monday.
Alright. Ready? Alright. Roll up. I'm out.
Yes.
What X6 badness, you heard me? Oh, see my new beast when me are rolling now. I'm afraid to show anybody. Remember, I can't do me nothing. Try me, I get the Benz wash. Where I did my kill it. Big up yourself, man. What that car wash place your name?
Diamond Touchdown.
See it? Diamond finish. You hear that? See if my baby Range Rover, yeah? When you're done. And this too.
Yeah, man, I do.
Alright. Yeah, man. You wash your seat. How are this? What you going with?
If we carry it, go to body shop Monday.
Alright. Ready? Alright. Roll up. I'm out.